This is why you need to know why cats rarely cough. It's not just their 9 lives keeping them healthy. Cats, unlike us mere mortals, are pretty stealthy about health hiccups. First off, their respiratory system is a fortress, super effective at keeping irritants at bay. But hold on, it's not just their biology, it's also their lifestyle. Cats are meticulous groomers. They spend about 1/3 of their waking hours cleaning themselves, which means they're constantly clearing away the stuff that could make them cough. And here's a fun fact. Cats have fewer airway receptors sensitive to irritants. Yep, evolution has equipped them with a sort of anti-cough shield. So next time you hear a tiny cat cough, remember, it's rare enough to be noteworthy.